how to download and install Plex application on your Android or iOS device. Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can get the Plex application installed in your mobile device or tablets and stream all your favorite movies, TV shows, and personal media on your device. So in order to do that, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store on your device or the App Store, depending upon your device's operating system. Now, once you open up the service, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Search. In the search bar, type in Plex. In the search result, look for the Plex application from Plex Inc., this one over here, and tap on Install to begin the download process. Wait for the application to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Once it is done with the installation, click on Open, and then you can go ahead and sign into your existing Plex account or sign up for a new one. Plex allows you to connect your own media server to stream personal content. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once logged in, you can explore the Plex library, stream movies, TV shows, and more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.